So some of the measurements that are going to be taken from here, I took it from this corner and I started heading that way. So from the corner there to the edge there is about 72, to the other edge it's about 120. Then to the starting of this point here it's 152, and then looks like 152, then it looks like it's 178, and then by the time it reaches, because that 178 is a new 0 point there, and then to the edge, to the end here, it was 9 feet away. So, you know, from there more or less to here, it was 9 feet. Then from that 0 point to the beginning of the door, it was 14 feet. So from there to the end there's 9, to here is 14, and that was a and then it was 17 feet to the other side, and that's my new 0 point. From this 0 point here, as you can see from the door, she went a total of 17 feet all the way to that wall there. Total of 17 feet. Let me just confirm that she was that's, yeah, the 0 was the door. That right side of the door to that wall is 17 feet, and that's what I wrote there. She's going to come out 4 feet to here, another 3 feet more. There's your 7 that's shown on the plans. So the 7 is from here, and she's just going to be on the inside of this little pin thing, and she's going to have to elevate at least 2 steps because she's got piping. So that's not going to be 8, that's going to have to be a 16 to step over this stuff. And don't forget, that looks like, you know, she's not going to make the 8 there when she opens out, so she might have to have a lower section here, super low, because that looks like it's only going to be about 4 to 6 inches there. So we have an opening door that opens out, and then she's got to come this way. She's got to step over this pipe, at least 2 treads. There's no other way. She's going to go straight across, hit this wall, take a turn, and this wall, from the measurement I took from, which I don't know if I have it here, she's going to go straight. So she did 7. Yep. So from the end, from my 7 foot, which is going to be here, it's 11 feet exactly to the outside edge of this. So we have to step up at least 2 to 3 steps. So we climb over this thing with a catwalk, being left justified with a 3-footer, and she's going to go across, and then the measurement is exactly 92 inches from that to that is 92. Then she's exactly 47 inches from this edge to this wall. This wall is 41 inches high, 12 to 14 inches thick on the top. But she's actually a 12-inch wall, but she's got a little bit of copper on top of it, will make it 14. From that wall there to that edge, there's 55 inches. Since you're already up high, she's going to step up here and then basically create the first platform here. Some of the other issues that you have on here, which is pretty clear, from from that corner down there to the it's 15. That piece down there is 15 feet 8 inches. Then from that edge, from that corner, you're going to come out, and in order to hit that window down there, it's going to be 0. It's going to be 63, then 110. That window from the edge up above down to the top of that window is 79. Down to the bottom of that window is 156. And then she starts changing. This is probably the highest point here. But then she starts changing, and she has a more regular rate, probably 10-foot floors, 11-foot floors going all the way down to the ground down there. I haven't done the ground yet for my measurement. That's going to be a different takeoff. And then from that edge, so she's going to be 16 feet plus 15'9". So from that corner all the way to the inside corner here is going to be 16 plus 15, which is 31 feet 9 inches to the inside edge here. Okay, and that window's key because we got to start cascading down with a double staircase here before it starts becoming a regular staircase. So this fire escape is going to be right justified of those windows. Okay. this almost aligns, but it really doesn't. It overhangs each other by 6 inches plus minus. So we have to step up and over. Once you're up high, you're gonna step up already with the catwalk and railings. She's gonna come through here, right justified, stay away from this machine. Stay here, walk this way. She's gonna turn here, and you know, we might as well elevate her already, so she's already super high coming out of there. That's 13 inches off ground, so we have to factor that, to factor this, which is probably only, you know, 8 inches off ground only. So we have to play with a 16. So we might come out of here with a very low one, and then she starts stepping up. And once she gets 16, she maintains 16 or 13, so that we're already at that level with rails on both sides. So we might have an open area here that you just sweep into, and you step up into a 16 and already avoid, or you can do an 8 this way, then a 16 that way, and that's already going to pick up that 13 in that corner, and then she steps up to the 41 further on. All right, so this is the roof issue. We've taken all these things. We really don't know these units here. We really don't care because we're not heading that way. And I'll get a plus minus from the wall, how far these things are from the wall.